cap's on back to front. That's just me. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right along the edge and then pull it all the way down in the back. Nice and comfy cozy. And so the other thing I'm going to do is I'm using this new like wig, like a non-slip grip thing. So we're going to put that on just right on the actual hairline. I just don't like the feeling of my wig cap slipping back. Like I've never had one slip off, but it's that feeling that it is slipping that like trips me out a little bit. And then plus I feel like with this, I have something to clip the bottom hook under outside of my hairline, because like the hairline in the back of your hair is a little uneven, and I feel like even like with necklaces, I feel like it's pulling or something, and I just don't like that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the wig on, get it where we want to go, and then we will set it down. So I'm just going to pull this back a little bit so I have room to set the wig down. So what I want to do is put her where I want her to be, and see it's a little bit low with that band. So I'm just going to pull the band back a little bit. There we go. And then that'll match up with my little bit of hair there. So then I know like that's where my hair is supposed to be. Okay, so before I even I'm going to clip her in, and then I'm going to set her down. So I'm going to pull this clip, there's the clip there, and I'm going to put it right under this band and under the wig cap. So I'm going to pull it down tight, and what I do is sort of flick it up under and then push it in. And then see I have this that just needs to be sort of set down on my head. Eventually when I customize this, I'm going to cut this a little bit back so that I cut my ear out, so this section will be gone, but for now we'll leave it. I put my thumb up under, and I flip that comb, and then see how I pull sort of the wig forward a little bit, and then I flick that in there. Sometimes you just have to move it around to adjust it so it feels good. And then there's also one here that's already locked in when I put, because I have the mesh wig cap. So let me comb her up, and then we'll set her down. Then I'll go off camera and do my eyes and the rest of my makeup while it's setting, and then I'll come back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this Got to Be Glued, Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. We're going to do that and put that down. So I'm kind of just like pulling up this section. Then I'm just going to put some gel on my finger, and then up under here, I'm just going to set the gel in, right all down in there, right along my hairline, right where this is going to sit. And then you can do it with a blow dryer, but I'm going to be fanning it. And you just want it to get a little bit sticky and tacky. Okay, and I'm going to set it down right on there, and then I'm going to do, so I can clip this down, and then I'm going to do the other side. I would say clip it down, but it's like unclip it, whatever. So I'm going to put a little bit of this starting up here, right along this hairline here, and this area here. Okay, get me Fran. Unclip it and set that on down. And then the next part of what you do is you put a headband on and sort of let it sit down and adhere. So I'm going to do that, and then I will come back.
Oh look, it's a stink bug. Really? See ya.
I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and you know, you want it to be pretty tight so that you can adhere the glue. and then I will go and do my eye makeup, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I took the time to do the rest of my makeup. So we're going to just undo this. And then there's a tiny spot where it's not tacked, but the rest of it is, see, it's tacked down. So that is actually cool. So I think it probably wasn't tacky enough on this side. I kind of like doing my makeup first because then I can take that time that it's drying to, you know, do my eye makeup and all of that sort of thing. So I'm just going to style her a little bit. I definitely need to pluck this part a lot more. I want to pluck it out a little bit more. I'm trying to show you everything that I do because I feel like sometimes the videos, like, they don't show some of the tweaking and some of the stuff that you have to just get used to and learn. So I'm trying to show you that. I'm trying to show you at least what I've learned. Pulling it back a little bit would be cute. I think I might do that. Alright, and that's this. Now I'm ready for work. I'm ready to go to work. There you go. That's the final result. And I'm ready to go to work and feeling super cute and secure. See? Not moving. And I hope that this was helpful. If you want other topics for me to cover in terms of wigs, please just let me know. I'd be happy to do so. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have subscribed, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!